Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable quiet mode on Instagram to reduce notifications. This can be very useful if you don't want to be disturbed. Now, to do this, we're just gonna have to follow these few simple steps. The first step is to go to settings. To do that, you just have to open the Instagram app on your phone, just like this, and click on Instagram. After that, if you haven't already logged in, just enter your account's credentials and log in. After that, click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner right here, and here click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner right here, and go to settings, and then click on notification right here, and you can pause all notifications right here. Now the second step is to enable quiet mode. Toggle on quiet mode and set your preferred start and end time. Let's see quiet mode right here. You can pause like this one. You can pause it for 15 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, or even 8 hours. And you won't get push notifications, but you'll be able to see new notifications when you open Instagram. And during this time, notifications will be paused and an auto reply will be sent to messages. For additional tips, use quiet mode to focus during work or study hours, and you can also customize quiet mode timing based on your schedule. Now you can turn on quiet mode on your Android phone by clicking on the do not disturb right here after drawing this option bar, and click on do not disturb, and you won't receive any notification. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you enable quiet mode on Instagram. It's very simple and very easy. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.